We are going through exercise 6D, and in this video we are answering question 6A. So as you can see, things are a little bit different. So it's still asking us to solve each of the following equations for x, but as you can see, it's not your standard cubic equation. But let's just see how we go with it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take everything over to my left-hand side. So that means it's going to become 2x cubed minus 16x is equal to 0. Then what I can do is take out a common factor of 2x. So that means I'm going to be left with 2x, x squared, and then over here I'll be left with negative 8, which is going to be equal to 0. And then once I'm here, I can actually use my null factor law. I could say, well, therefore, either 2x is going to be equal to 0, or x squared minus 8 is going to be equal to 0. In this case, I would divide both sides by 2, which means x is going to be equal to 0. And then over here, this is going to take a few steps. So the first step is I'm going to plus 8 to both sides. And then I'm going to square root both sides. So I'm going to be left with plus or minus 8. Now try to write this as simply as possible. So we can actually rewrite that 8 as x is plus or minus the square root of 4 times 2, right? Because 4 times 2 is 8, in which case we're going to get plus or minus that 4 is going to become a 2 out the front because the square root of 4 is 2, and then I'm going to get the square root of 2 there. So that means my final answer is going to be x is equal to 0 plus or minus 2 square root of 2. And just like that, we have answered this question. Hopefully it's been helpful to you.